In this video, I'm going to show you how to validate your Google remarketing tag. And importantly, you can use this tag to remarket to your website visitors when they're on YouTube as well. And we're going to do this using the Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension. And check the comments and description for relevant links and more video marketing goodness. Here's the problem. Whether you're running YouTube ads or Google ads, marketing experts will tell you that you have to get in front of a customer like 7 times, 13 times, even 20 times to remind them about your business before they actually buy. That means that you need to remarket to your customer through YouTube ads and other Google ads, and that can be very effective. So it's super important to make sure that this tag is working right. And if you think you've added the Google Ads tag on your website or someone else on your team has, how can you actually be sure that this has been done correctly? Well, Google has a Chrome extension called the Google Tag Assistant that helps you check your website pages. And there's a little trick to installing it and checking your tags, but don't worry, you got this. My name is Dane from the Video Marketing Business Academy, and today is your day. Because if you are a marketer or a business owner, today is the day for you to start upping your game on YouTube for business so that you can transform your viewers into loyal customers. And to begin your journey, just click on that subscribe button below. Here's the steps. Step 1, open the Chrome browser. And note, these instructions are for the desktop version of Chrome, not any other version. Step 2, install Google Tag Assistant. You can see 2 million users, add to Chrome, add extension, and after installing, you might have to click on the little puzzle piece in the top right of your browser and click the pin icon to make sure the extension is visible. Step 3, check your website pages. Now that Google Tag Assistant is installed, anytime you view one of the pages on your website, you can go up to the icon and click on it. Okay, it says, "Welcome to Tag Assistant Legacy by Google. To get started, tell us which of these tags you want to tag." I want it to check all of these things. Google Analytics, Google Trusted Stores. I don't even know what they all are, but this is the part that's most interesting to me, is Campaign Manager, Google Ad Manager. Done. Step 4, click Enable and Reload. Enable. And it says Tag Assistant Legacy has been activated and will analyze all pages on the current tab. If you want to see issues for the current page, please hit Reload. And click Reload. And now that we've reloaded, we come back to Tag Assistant Legacy and we'll see that these are all green tags. Step 5, check the colors. So we can see on this website that I own that we're looking good with all green. So we have Google Ads Remarketing tag, Google Analytics, and a Google Tag Manager. So 3 different types of tags, but they're all showing up as green, which means we're ready to go. Now let's check one of my other websites. Enable. Reload. Okay, on my VidiUp website here, we go up to it and we see, hey, there's not all green. We see green, that means it's going well with the global site tag and the Google remarketing tag. But the Google Analytics tag has some problems. The Google Tag Manager is pretty good, but should be improved. Okay, so neither of my websites had a red tag, so that's good, but this is what it would look like. My name is Dane from the Video Marketing Business Academy, and we believe that you don't need to be a movie star or have expensive cameras to be successful on YouTube. You just need to be committed to helping your customers and know some basic techniques. So check out this next video. You do that and you'll be golden.